Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Now today there's going to be an unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker, another Bluetooth speaker that I acquired from Pepco, another brand from DaSounds, but this one is a bit different is in the form factor as the previous one. It also says that it has the radio function, the same as the previous one. So we'll see if that one works. Alright, now on the box, if you want, you can pause the video and check out the prices in various currencies. So if you have a Pepco in your country, you can have a reference point to see how much it costs. For me, this is the price, 38 RON, which is Romanian lei. So yeah, on the box, nothing really special. I'm guessing on this side, this is the logo. It is not blurry. That's the way the logo is printed. On the back, few informations about the wireless speaker. On the other side, again, a picture of the Bluetooth speaker itself, again with some additional information. It does says that it has Bluetooth version 5.4, a 800 milliamp hour battery. It does come with a USB-C charging cable, which says that it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge, and the playtime on it, it's around 1 to 2 hours. Of course, this is at medium volume, not max volume. So yeah, I'm guessing at max volume it might be just an hour, but we'll have to check, see if that's accurate. So yeah, let's just unbox it and see what we get inside. Alright, now inside we get the Bluetooth speaker itself, user's manual, and at the bottom there's the USB-C charging cable. My bad. Let's see if we can get it out. I'm guessing it's USB-A to USB-C, but let's see if I can get it out. Yeah, USB-A to USB-C. There's plenty of USB-C cables around, so you can use it to charge up the device. Alright, now the form factor, as you can see, it's kind of like a cylinder. It does have this mesh protective material on it, all the way around, almost all the way around. Now on the front, I'm guessing this is the spot to perhaps attach a lanyard, the power button, volume up and down, and the mode button. And right under here, let's see if I can open this one. Under the slab, you get the USB-C charging port, an auxiliary out, again a USB port, and a micro SD card slot for it. I'm not sure what exactly the USB port is for. I'm guessing it's not a power bank or anything like that, but no, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just turn it on, see how it sounds, connect it to a phone and see how it sounds. But yeah, oh,
Bluetooth mode.
that is quite loud. Okay, now let's see if we can connect it to my phone. Available devices, let's see where exactly do we find it. Now apologies for my voice, I still have a slight cold. I've been dealing with this for the past few weeks. Yeah, okay. Let's do it again. Does it have any battery? I don't know. Okay. Well, it does take a while for it to connect, which it shouldn't do. Okay. Okay, now it is turned off. Let's turn it back on. There we go.
Bluetooth mode.
There we go. Now it is connected. Okay, so let's just go to YouTube and find a song, a non-copyright version. Okay, let's see if we can find something. Well, let's give it a shot with this one. Yeah, mind the commercials. Okay, let's get max volume on it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Okay, now on a side note, on the top and the bottom, you have these passive bass reflex, so it will sound a bit more clear when you're using when you listen to a song that has strong bass on it.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Yeah, as you can hear, it does get quite loud, and it is pretty clear sounding, no distortions or anything. Okay, now let's see if we can activate the radio mode on it. I'm not sure if it'll work. Or if it does have a radio function. At least it says it does on the box. But I'm not sure. Yeah, this one also, the power button also doubles as the play and pause.
V-Fly many flags.
Yeah.
Boss sa Birkenstock. Dictionary.
Okay. Come on. Are you able to change modes or not? I'm guessing that it doesn't have a radio function, but yeah, even without it, still pretty good. Quite a decent Bluetooth speaker. On the table it will sit a bit slanted, as you can see, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. It won't fall off easily off the table. But if you want, you can lay it just like this. Just be aware that it will roll around, as you can see. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Just a presentation, a review of a cheap Bluetooth speaker from Pepco. Thank you for watching, and yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Also, if you enjoyed this content, you can like and subscribe. Also, you can dislike if you don't enjoy the video. Yeah, if you have this one, or if you have something similar to it, you can leave your experience of how they sound in the comments below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one, guys. Bye.